Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Monsieur Cuisine Smart not connecting to Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi icon right here next to your profile and make sure that the Wi-Fi is on first. Then look for a network. In my case it is connected. Now some networks won't be found because it only supports 2.4 gigahertz frequency, which means that if you have just one network at home it'll probably find it, but if you have multiple networks there's a chance some of them won't be discovered. Especially if they contain 5G or 5 gigahertz in their name, so you may need to connect to a different network to the one that is discovered. Make sure to put your router as close as possible to the device. Of course, it doesn't have to be right next to it, but if you have that option to put your device a bit closer to the router, then I would highly recommend that. That is basically what you can do if that didn't fix the issue for you. Then, of course, try if you can find the network. Try clicking on, but it doesn't have internet access or something, or it doesn't connect. It just shows in all the networks if it was connected before. You can click on it and click on connect, forget Wi-Fi network. Then you should be able to find a Wi-Fi network. And re-enter its password. Sometimes that'll fix the issue. And if it didn't, try using the switch on the right side of the device to switch it off for half a minute and then turn it back on. If it didn't help, try contacting your network provider or Monsieur Cuisine support. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.